from 6th C. Hi Abhishek.
Hi Nisha,
What's the time?
it's around 9:50 a.m.
How do you know the time?
by seeing the clock.
Okay, now you have a clock to say the exact time, but in the olden days, the people used to calculate the time by seeing sun's shadow. It is called sundial. What is sundial, Spandana?
Sundays are the oldest known instruments. For telling time, the sundial has marking for each hour of daylight as the sun moves across the sky. Another part of the sundial casts a shadow. On these markings, the position
This picture called as sundial. Okay, so in the 17th and 18th century, one of our king, Maharaj Jai Singh II, had constructed sundial in New Delhi that is known as Jantar Mantar. What is Jantar Mantar, Abhishek?
This is Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar means instrument for measuring the harmony of the heavens. It consists of 13 architectural astronomy instruments. The size 1 of 5 was built by Maharaj Jai Singh II of Jaipur from 1723 onwards, revising the calendar and astronomical tables.
I have a doubt.
Yes, what is that, Chakradhar?
Why it is called as Jantar Mantar, Nisha?
Now my another friend Vaishnavi will tell about this.
The name Jantar Mantar is divided from the Sanskrit word Yantar means instrument and Mantra means calculation. Jantar Mantar can also called as instrument of calculating time.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Safi, what are the 5 Jantar Mantars in India?
There are 5 Jantar Mantars. In the early 18th century, the Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur considered 5 Jantar Mantar at Tinar, New Delhi, Jaipur, Ullan, Mathura and Varanasi. They were considered in between 1724 to 1735.
Myself, Naina. Jantar Mantar consists of 13 architectural instruments related to astronomy. The main objective of these instruments was to predict the movements of the moon, sun and other planets. 4 instruments within the observatory are the Mishra Yantra, Jaya Prakash, Rama Yantra and Samrata Yantra. Some of my friends will explain the 4 types of yantra.
This is Mishra Yantra. Literally mixed instrument is a composition of 5 instruments designed as a tool to determine the shortest and longest of the day. It could also used to indicate none in a various cities and all the locations, regardless from the distance from Delhi. It could also used to indicate the none in a various cities all over the world. The only structure observatory not introduced by Jai Singh II.
This is Jai Prakash Yantra. Jai Prakash Yantra consists a lot of hemispheres with marking on their convex surface. Crosswire was structured between points on their rim. From inside the ram, an observer could align the position of a star with various marking on Windows edge. This is one of the most versatile and complex instruments that can give for the coordinate celestial objects in multiple systems and the azimuthal altitude system and the equatorial coordinate system. This is used to easy conversation for the popular celestial system. Thank you. This is Ramayantra. Ramayantra is to large cylindrical structure with open top views measure the altitude of star bases on the latitude and longitude on the earth. Thank you.
This is Samrata Yantra. Samrata Yantra or supreme instrument is a giant triangle that is basically as equal our sundial. It has 70 feet, 114 feet long at the base and 10 feet twinkle. It has 128 foot long, 39 meter hypotenuse that is parallel at the earth's axis. and points towards the North Pole. Thank you.
Neha, what are the interesting features about Jantar Mantar? It features one of the oldest stone sundial. It is near City Palace and Hawa Mahal. The instrument allows observations of astronomical positions with the Ptolemaic positional astronomy, which was shared by many civilizations. Jantar Mantar is situated in the heart of Jaipur. Jantar Mantar is considered as one of the with the Ptolemaic positional astronomy, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Jantar Mantar houses the world's largest stone sundial. Friends, do you know the full form of UNESCO? No! One of my friend Rizwan is going to tell the full form of UNESCO.
Full form of UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization.
I am Bashir Ahmed. I am going to tell about parts of leaf. This is stem. This is axil. This is leaf base. This is petiole. This is midrib. This is venules. This is venules. This is leaf base. This is leaf base. These are veins. This is margin. This is tip of the leaf. Thank you.